Upgrades to how we show you transactions, managing expenses, and paying vendors. 2025 is starting strong at Ramp. First up, our brand new reconciliation tool for QuickBooks. This feature automatically identifies discrepancies between your ERP and Ramp balances, making closing your books more accurate and a whole lot faster. Next, we're unveiling new Workday and QuickBooks Desktop API integrations. With these, you can automate frequently used accounting workflows while syncing things like transactions, receipts, and expense reports. And next up, we've made onboarding vendors a whole lot easier. You'll be able to collect information like payment and tax details directly through Ramp's procurement workflow, eliminating the need for time-consuming email follow-ups. With batch payments, you can now combine multiple invoices into a single transaction. This helps declutter your bank feed and cut down on transaction fees. We've also made sure only select team members are authorized to release funds. Now let's talk travel. We've made some improvements to our mileage reimbursement feature, so employees can now record their exact route for precise reimbursements on mobile. And finally, okay, your employee lost that really important receipt. It happens. That's why we're launching a new receipt affidavit feature to improve compliance of receipt requirement policies. Generate a guided, auditable record directly in Ramp. No more free-form comments that lack detail. Whether it's a smarter reconciliation process, streamlined procurement, or faster expense submissions, Ramp is here to make your 2025 finances friction-free. We'll see you next time.